All right, let's nail the accounting fundamentals you'll absolutely need for your CA Foundations exam. So what's the secret to mastering accounting? Well, it all starts with understanding the core rules. The best way to think about it is this: accounting is literally the language of business. It's simply a system for telling a company's financial story in a clear and structured way. And, just like any language, accounting has grammar. We call these its fundamental concepts. Rule number 1, and this one's a big deal: the business's money is not the owner's money. This concept keeps the business accounts clean and separate from the owner's personal finances. This just means we break down the business's life into reporting periods, like a quarter or a year. Okay, this next part is super important. It's not just what you record, but also when. This is critical. You record things when they happen, not just when cash finally changes hands. So, what's the key takeaway here? Your revenue is the full $60,000 you earned, not just the cash. And to find your real profit, you gotta match the cost directly to the revenue they helped create. The matching concept shows us your real profit on the sale is actually 10,000 rupees. Now let's build on that. We also have to distinguish between different types of spending. And here's the difference, brilliantly laid out. It's really all about the lifespan of the benefit. This shows you that the nature of the business itself can completely change the classification. So you see, all these rules we've covered actually rest on 3 fundamental assumptions. These 3 right here, they're the absolute bedrock of accounting. We assume they're always being followed. They are going concern, consistency, and that accrual concept we've already looked at. This is why we value assets for their long-term use, not just their sell-it-quick liquidation price. Which leaves us with a final question. These concepts are the frame, but policies fill in the details.